Naperville, Illinois celebrates Sri Krishna Janmashtami 2024 with Kirtan, Aarti and cultural programs. More than 10,000 devotees take blessings of the Lord during the two-day event. ISKCON Naperville, Illinois was a hub of devotion and joy as it celebrated Sri Krishna Janmashtami 2024 with grandeur and deep spiritual fervor. This year's celebration, marking the second Janmashtami in the new ISKCON temple, saw an overwhelming turnout of more than 10,000 devotees over the course of 2 days, making it a significant event in the spiritual calendar of the Naperville community. The celebration included a series of soulful kirtans that resonated through the temple premises, creating an atmosphere of devotion and reverence. The altar where the deity of Lord Krishna was enshrined became the focal point of devotion, with devotees lining up to offer their prayers and seek blessings. The atmosphere was charged with anticipation as the clock neared midnight, the auspicious moment believed to be the exact time of Lord Krishna's birth. The sight of the beautifully adorned Lord Krishna, bathed in the glow of the Aarti lamps, was a divine spectacle that left the devotees in awe.
Srimad Bhagavatam is the ripened fruit of Vedic knowledge, and directly in Srimad Bhagavatam it's stated that all the perils and anomalies and darkness in this age of Kali can be completely transformed through sound vibration. Sound vibration, of course, through mantra, and sound vibration through Krishna's words, Bhagavad Gita, and sound vibration of messages about Krishna found in Srimad Bhagavatam. I have deep faith, I live it and try to propagate it. As you said, the unrest in this world is due to the anomalies of this age where people have forgotten who they really are and the purpose of life. And to remind them is like waking up an intoxicated man, he wants to sleep. But it's possible through sound. So sound vibration is very, very effective.
We are very grateful for this temple. There's so many families, children, youth that need a place of worship where they can express their devotion to Krishna through music, through art, through dance. And they can hear stories about Krishna, hear the Bhagavad Gita. Our tradition and culture will be alive when we practice it. Any tradition will remain alive and vibrant as long as people are thinking about it, talking about it, and practicing it. So this temple serves as an oasis for those who are searching for Krishna, those who want to know more about him, those who want to celebrate him. And personally, I have a family here, small children, and this temple is our greatest blessing.
Janmashtami at ISKCON Naperville was a beautiful reminder of the power of collective devotion, bringing together thousands of people from different walks of life, all united in their love for Lord Krishna. As the temple celebrated its second Janmashtami in the new ISKCON Mandir, the event not only honored a divine tradition, but also strengthened the bonds with the community, reinforcing the temple's role as a spiritual and cultural center in Naperville.